Okay, so hi. Can you briefly introduce yourself, please?
Hi, I'm Mary Hart, 44 years old, and I'm single mom, and I'm finished at high school high school graduate.
Next question. Can you tell me about your work experiences?
Okay, ma'am. In my first employer, I have one dog and one child, age at 10 years old. We're in the same room. That's why I change employer now. This in my previous employer, I have three kids and one cat, and we are two maids.
Okay, and how do you manage your work?
Hmm. I in the morning, the eldest and the second, I prepare the uniform in the morning, the shoes, then change the clothes, give the breakfast. Then when they go out, go to school, I go to market or clean the house and cook. In the dinner, we prepare the food. Then the younger 5 years old, we brush her teeth and uh, take a bath.
Okay, and how you manage when the kids during their tantrums? When they're having a tantrums, what do you usually do?
Here, ma'am, we have two maids. That's why we alternate. 1 week, 1 week cooking, then marketing, then 1 week cleaning and ironing. Then the kids, I'm taking care of the second one and the eldest. Then the youngest taking care of my coach.
Why you don't want to renew the contract with current employer?
Because the old helper here will come back, ma'am.
Okay, so what is your preferred holiday?
Sunday, ma'am.
And then, are you willing to share work with other helper?
It's okay, ma'am.
Okay, and then, are you willing to share room with other helpers or kids?
The kids, ma'am, no.
But with other
Other help
helper.
is okay, ma'am.
Okay, and then, are you willing to take care of pets like dogs or cats?
Mm, the dog, ma'am, okay. But the cat is okay too.
Okay, and then, how you will manage the multitask job?
Mm. We in the morning when the kids go out, we do we clean, then go to pick up the school, then go to activities, and when we go home, we we both do it in the kitchen.
Okay, and then, what are your strengths and weaknesses? Can you explain why?
My strength is my kids because without them, I'm not here, and I I stronger because of them because I'm a solo parent.
Okay, and then, how about your weaknesses?
My weakness is same,
Your children as well. So, can you explain why?
because I'm single mom and I I will do anything for them, ma'am. So they will not be like me.
Okay, so for my last question, what is your message to your future new employer?
Hello, ma'am, sir. I'm willing to work of you, and I want to know more about here in Hong Kong, and I'm willing to work with you and your kids, and I will do anything. That's it.